The Flight Review Rubric for flight reviewers in RPAS Wilco. As a flight reviewer or flight school, you have access to a built-in flight reviewer checklist, designed in accordance with Transport Canada's TP 15395 requirements. This checklist functions as an interactive rubric that you can use directly within the app during a flight review. To access your checklist templates, navigate to Configurations and click Checklist Templates. Here, you'll see all available checklists, including the Flight Review checklist. Click the eye icon to view it. Each item corresponds to the rubric, allowing you to follow along and mark items as you go with your client. To view a hard copy of the rubric, click the PDF icon. This rubric is designed to meet TP 15395 requirements. The checklist goes through all the criteria, including pre-flight planning procedures, emergency procedures, takeoff procedure, manual flight procedure, lost link procedures, fly-away procedures, and landing procedure. A French version of the flight review checklist is also available.